लास्ट ईयर कोविड के कारण जब लॉकडाउन हुआ तो 82% ऑफ द बिजनेसेस इन इंडिया वर बैडली हिट. रादर बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस क्लोज भी हो गए. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड देयर वर मेनी बिजनेसेस व्हिच ग्रू मल्टीपल टाइम्स इन दिस पेंडेमिक. And I'm not talking only about pharma, I'm talking about other sectors also. Now, do you want to know what is that one thing all these businesses did which made them turn this pandemic into an opportunity? Hi, I'm C. Arsh Gaur, a profit coach on a mission to help India's SME business owners multiply their profits with simple yet highly effective tools. Now, if you regularly face cash crunch in your business or you regularly wonder where are your profits going, then please do subscribe to my channel and also do not forget to click the bell icon to ring the bell of profitability in your business. Fab India, a very well known name in apparels, had 250 stores in India. उनका बिजनेस पेंडेमिक लॉकडाउन के कारण सबसे ज्यादा हिट हुआ. इफ यू आर अ रिटेलर यू कैन वेरी वेल अंडरस्टैंड कि एक रिटेलर के लिए सर्वाइव करना कितना ज्यादा मुश्किल था लॉकडाउन में. बट रादर देन सरेंडरिंग टू द सिचुएशन दे एनालाइज द सिचुएशन एंड टुक अ डिसीजन टू फोकस ऑन देयर ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स कैटेगरी बिकॉज विच इट फॉल्ड अंडर द एसेंशियल्स कैटेगरी. नाउ दिस सिंगल डिसीजन helped them save their sales, rather also increased their sales. Then Meena Bazaar, a well-known ethnic brand which had more than 50 stores pan-India and internationally. Their business was the worst hit during the lockdown क्योंकि they were dealing only in products जो कि marriages या occasion से related थे और ऐसा सब कुछ बंद हो गया था लॉकडाउन में. लोगों ने बाहर जाना बंद कर दिया था. But Mr. Rajiv Manglani, the MD of Meena Bazaar, is such a wonderful businessman. Rather than cribbing and sitting hand on hand, he focused on finding the solution. They ventured into budget segment, into kurtis, into suits, and उन्होंने अपनी सारे स्टोर्स की सेल टीम को टेलिंग कॉलिंग पे लगा दिया. और इस एक डिसीजन के कारण उनके जो फेब्रुअरी सेल्स के लेवल थे वो अगस्त में अचीव हो गए. और सिर्फ सेल्स अचीव नहीं हुई, दे ऑल्सो इंक्रीज्ड देयर प्रॉफिट्स. नाउ इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट अपैरल्स. Workshala is one such company which emerged very stronger out of this COVID lockdown. They were into co-working spaces and obviously their business was the worst hit क्योंकि लोगों ने घर से बाहर जाना बंद कर दिया था तो co-working spaces पे काम करने तो बिल्कुल नहीं जा रहे थे. They very soon realized that they have to find a solution to this problem to meet up their fixed expenses. And they came up with an idea called Homescape. Yes. They solved the problem of employees who wanted to work from home but they were not having a proper furniture setup. And they started renting out these furniture units to these people. Can you imagine? A co-working space is renting out furniture units to people to work from their home. How wonderful it is. Then Mr. Gulshan Nagpal from Gulshan Homes. They were into premium residential units. And now buying a residential house was the last thing in anyone's mind during the lockdown क्योंकि businesses ही इतने ज़्यादा हिट हुए थे और लोग सैंपल्स देखने, सैंपल फ्लैट्स देखने बाहर नहीं जाना चाहते थे. अब ये सोचने की बजाय कि रियल एस्टेट तो बहुत बुरी तरह हिट हुआ है यार, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, started giving offers and started giving virtual tours to their prospects. और उन्होंने टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करके लास्ट ईयर ड्यूरिंग द पेंडेमिक एंड देयर आफ्टर दे सोल्ड 522 रेजिडेंशियल यूनिट्स, premium residential units. So from retailers to co-working spaces to real estate developers, there are thousands of such stories in which entrepreneurs did something जिससे उन्होंने लॉकडाउन को अपनी लाइफ की बिगेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी बना लिया. Now let me share with you a wonderful story. A story जिसमें दो इंसान हैं और दो चूहे हैं. Yes, Hem, Haw, Sniff and Scurry. ये चारों एक चीज स्टेशन पे रहते हैं और इनका काम है सिर्फ चीज खाना. रोज सुबह चीज स्टेशन पे पहुंचते हैं, आराम से चीज खाते हैं, मस्ती करते हैं. बट वन फाइन डे दे वेक अप एंड रीच द चीज स्टेशन एंड सी के सारा का सारा चीज गायब हो गया, सब खत्म है. ऑल दीज फोर रिएक्टेड डिफरेंटली इन दिस सिचुएशन. हैम गॉट इनटू अ डिनायल मोड कि नहीं मेरा चीज कहीं नहीं जा सकता, मैं यहीं पे वेट करके चीज के वापस आने की वेट करूंगा. हाउ वाज आल्सो शॉक्ड बट ही वाज अ बिट ऑब्जेक्टिव. उसने समझा कि यार अब तो ये हो गया, अब तो सोल्यूशन ढूंढना पड़ेगा, नया चीज कहीं ना कहीं से ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Sniff was already observing in the last few weeks कि चीज कम हो रहा है और मुझे नया चीज ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Scurry was also thinking to take some action. So the moment they saw that the cheese is gone, Sniff and Scurry, they put on their running shoes and started running to find the new cheese station. And obviously they were the first one to reach a new cheese station N, जहाँ पे उनको और ज़्यादा अच्छा चीज़ मिल गया. And Hem was the last one to reach there because he was into denial mode और उसने efforts ही नहीं करे थे. Here I must recommend you to read the book Who Moved My Cheese by Spencer Johnson, which is a short yet a very very interesting book on the story of Hem, Haw, Sniff and Scurry. Now what is that one thing जो इन सारी stories में जिसने समझ ली, they have created wonders in their business. That one thing is, we should always keep looking for cheese in our business and in our lives. Yes, here cheese is a metaphor which means new opportunities. Change is the only constant in life. और अगर change ना हो, challenges ना हो, तो कभी growth नहीं हो सकती. क्योंकि challenges होते हैं तभी हम out of the box सोचते हैं और तभी हम grow कर पाते हैं. So we should always accept all the challenges and also ask ourselves this question जब हमें कोई ऐसी situation face करनी पड़े, that what can I do to make this situation an opportunity for me? Yes, right questions will always give you the right answers. So ask yourself this question in times of crisis and see magic happen in your business. Now if you want to increase your cash profits, then please subscribe to my channel. And also please click the like button if you found this video valuable, because it motivates me to come up with more such valuable content and to help my SME business partners and the nation builders, as I fondly call them. If you feel this video can help a friend in need or an entrepreneur who is struggling, then please help them by forwarding this video and clicking the share button. I will be coming up with more such simple yet effective lessons for my SME business community. Don't worry, we will all sail through these pandemic times together. I am there for each and every SME business owner who has struggled in the last 2 years due to this lockdown and pandemic situation. We will sail through this together. You can also write to me if you need any guidance or help in turning around your business or making profits. Now I take your leave. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay happy, and have a super profitable week ahead.